Hey guys, it's Dawn and Melody. We got Nathan, Mike, Adam back there. Ron is here somewhere. Oh, Mario! There's Mario. Are you in the shot? Wait, I don't know how to turn. There's Ron. There's Ron and Marty. Wait, Marty's over there working on his truck for some reason. We are getting ready to go on a 120-mile ride. We are at Encanto, but check out what we stole from Marty. Look, it's the A2. Wait, how do I do this? There, A2 and the M104. Well, the A2 is what we stole, and this is Mike's. So, oh, go ride it so we can show.
Are you going to ride it?
You ride it.
I ride it.
Yeah. Do you?
Marty's gonna do an actual video, but I'm stealing it. So we're gonna do a little precursor video. Here comes Marty. So, quick review, short story. The A2, we love it. Marty doesn't like it. That's a secret. I don't think you wanted me to tell you that. But look at this. Nathan's only been riding for like a few months and he's already he picked it up and was able to go backwards on it immediately. So my initial impression is that it is very controllable, it's very predictable, controllable, like where you move is where it goes. And it's I didn't try to do any high speed stuff or anything like that, but definitely for tricks, it's good. There definitely is something to get used to because it's much taller and the balance is different than on an M104. It's totally different. It's so weird. It's like it's too small to be a real wheel. It's too big to be a little M104, M103, like super compact wheel. But it's like just some kind of super capable small wheel. Oh! Oh, really? Okay.
You're talking about the A2.
Oh, I was just saying a little something. No, I wasn't talking about the A2. I was talking about our ride. This is our 120-mile ride today with Marty. Marty is hosting this great ride for us all, and we're gonna try to do 120 miles. Okay.
We're going to.
All right, thanks for joining us. I gotta go. Bye.